morning. This is Senthil Kumar, Assistant Professor of Civil Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. In this presentation, we discuss about building planning. The principles of planning. It is a plan of building, that is grouping and arrangement of component of building in a systematic manner, so as to form a homogeneous body with a comprehensive look out to meet their functional purposes. That is a well organization of building components. It mainly depends upon human habitats and the requirements, component parts, size and interrelationship. And second one is topography and shape of plot, and then climatic condition, and last one is location and neighborhood. The basic principles of planning or the specific process which construction managers use to manage and implement a construction project. These are all the several principles of planning. First one, aspect, prospect, privacy, furniture requirement, roominess, grouping, circulation, sanitation, flexibility, elegance, economy. We will discuss one by one. First one, aspect, that is a placement of different rooms of houses in accordance with our activities at different hours of day. Room should get enough sunlight and air, which gives cheerful atmosphere, comfort and hygienic condition. And this is for Vastu for home. And locations where we construct the kitchen, puja room and bedroom, master bedroom, and kitchen, garages, toilets, children's study area, courtyard. These are the several Vastu places. For northeast, you should provide puja room, veranda and portico, and southeast you can give kitchen and garage, and southwest you can give bedroom, dressing room, and northwest there is a toilet, animals, garage, guest. These are all the several places you can allot to construct a building. And second one is prospect. A building is said to have prospect when it presents a good and pleasing appearance when seen from outside. It is used to mean the external view as certain room of the building. And privacy. The privacy can be of sight, sound, both sight and sound. It is broadly classified into two categories. One is internal privacy, another one is external privacy. First one, internal privacy. It is a privacy within the building. It can be achieved by correct position of doors and openings of the shutters, and proper grouping of rooms, and then providing buffer area between bedroom and other room, and vertical segregation of rooms, that is by providing drawing, dining, kitchen, toilet and bed, toilet and FT. These are the several segregations can be given. And second one, external privacy. It is the privacy of whole building with reference to surroundings, that is a buildings and road. It can be achieved by, you can construct the compound wall to a height of 1.35 to 1.5 meter, and planting trees along compound wall. It acts as a sound as well as a sight barrier, and provides screen wall, curtain walls and door wall on veranda. And furniture requirements. Planner should know how much space is needed by each functions. The room size can be completed on the basis of permanent furniture to be used at which location, and the dimensions and arrangements and clearance for circulation, that is the movement of people inside the hall, kitchen and bedroom, that can be noted. Then only the furniture can be located. And then roominess. It is a feeling created after a room is well furnished with all permanent furniture as spacious and well planned. The maximum use of room with minimum possible dimensions, and the rectangular room gives better outlook than compared to square or small same floor area. The length and breadth ratio of 1.2 to 1.5 is desirable, and when it exceeds 2, it creates channel like feeling. So you can proper shape will be given for roominess. And similarly, height also play an important role for looking this hall, bedroom, kitchen, everything. So room should have all proper proportional dimension, and light colors create effect or more space. The light and dark colors for different walls of same room will reduce the effect of less width and more width. And this image shows the light colors. The height also play important role. The light colors create effect of more space compared to you can give light and dark colors for different walls given in single room for the same room. It reduces the effect of less width and more length. And then grouping, it is the arrangement of different rooms with reference to the functions. It improves comfort, privacy and convenience and minimize circulations. The major points to be considered for grouping action: the veranda adjacent to drawing room and dining room close to kitchen, and then bedroom, toilet, dressing room grouped together, and staircase should be easily accessible from all the rooms. These are all the grouping. Each and every component can be grouped together. And then circulation, it is access into or out of a room. It is internal movement inside a building. The circulation area shall be straight, short, bright, lighted both day and night, well ventilated and free from obstructions. It should not affect privacy, more interfere with utility. It is two types. One is horizontal circulation, another one is vertical circulation. Horizontal circulation within the same floor, but vertical circulation means there is circulation between different floors. And sanitation, it is a provision and upkeep of various components of house to keep intimate cheerful and free from diseases. The factors influencing sanitation are lighting, that is the sunlight, and ventilation, proper ventilation for given for throughout the house, and cleanliness. The lighting, that is a natural sunlight or artificial, and intensity of natural light is affected by pollutants like smoke, dirt, dust, gases and clouds. Reduction in humidity and then removal of heat, proper supply of oxygen in naturally or artificially. The orientation of building and location of windows helps to provide proper ventilation. And elegance, it is grand appearance of a building mainly owing to the elevation, which in turn depends on plan. That elegance majorly depends upon a elevated side, architecture, neighborhood and nativity and adjoining buildings and relative placements. A better elegance can be obtained by superior building materials for facing like paint, glass, timber, polished stones, granite, marble, mosaic, etc. There are several materials can be given for their better elegance, and providing projections like sunset, balconies, porch, etc. you can give according to your plan, and providing corner windows, etc. And then economy, the building should have main floor area with maximum utility, and it should not achieve at cost of strength, and only with proper planning and utility of space being maximized, that is the passage being minimized. It can be achieved by simple elevation, providing small portions for balconies, lobbies, and reducing story height and reducing number of steps in the stairs, and standardization of size of various components and also materials. And how to select the site for constructing of a new house. The site should be situated on a elevated and leveled ground. It should not located in a flood prone area. The soil at site should have good value of bearing capacity. The site should not be irregular in shape. The site should be located away from quarries or kiln or industrial plants, etc. The site should have unobstructed natural light and air. Building bylaws, that is the various aspects of building activities covered by laws, law and order. The distance from electric lines, building up area limitations, norms related to height or size of the room, that is the lighting and ventilations of room, and building services. Thank you.